This video is directed to those who want to be a part of my class. If you have ever wanted to be in any of my class, you want me to teach you anything, this video is directed to you. Now, I have been running a school that I call the School of Life. This school has been running since 2017. The School of Life. Now, I want to use this opportunity I want to use this video to explain what the paid class is about. So when you reach out to me or contact me and you say, I want to learn cybersecurity, I want to learn ethical hacking, I want to learn anything you are reaching out to me for and you say you want to learn, this is the video that I'll send to you. I have the paid class of the School of Life. Very soon it will just be called the School of Life. You will not hear paid or anything. It will be called the School of Life and it's paid. Why is it called paid? Because people pay money to enter the class. Now in this class, it's a mentorship class, it's a VIP class, it's a private class, it's a premium class. Any name you want to call it, call it. What I do there is that I teach about God, I teach about money, I teach about business, I teach about sex, I teach about relationship, I teach about everything that I know. So, if the topics involve cybersecurity, I will teach on cybersecurity. If the topic involves ethical hacking, I will teach on ethical hacking. If the topic involves web development, I will teach on web development. If it involves social media marketing, I will teach on it. If it involves running ads, if it involves sex, relationship, I teach the things that I know, the things that I have practiced, both the ones that gives me money, both the ones that build my spirituality. It doesn't matter. It's a holistic class. The major goal of the class is to have a balanced life. That's what I do in that class. In that class, I do not come today and say, today our topic is, there's no topic, there is no curriculum. How the class runs is that if you have a question, for example, you don't know how to communicate, and that's part of the things I teach in the paid class. I teach you how to communicate. If you say you want to learn cybersecurity, I will teach you what it takes to learn cybersecurity in there. If you have a question and you bring your question, let's assume that at the time of doing this video, today is the 5th day of December 2025. It doesn't matter what you want to learn. If you say, oh, I want you to mentor me, this is the class you will be in. I want to learn Forex, this is the class you will be in. I want to learn crypto, this is the class you will be in. Anything you think you want to learn from me, this is the class you will be in. The things that I don't know and I don't have information about, I cannot teach you. I will point you to where you will go and learn it. But that you want to learn from me, and you don't want to follow the videos that I have online, you want to be in my everyday class. By the way, I need to emphasize this. In the paid class, I teach every day. Every day. There's no day that I don't teach. So, I don't come with topics. You have to bring your problem. You are the one that will bring your problem, bring what is worrying you, what is disturbing you, what is a challenge. You will come with your challenge. You will present it. Then I will dissect it, break it down, solve the problem, and give you the solution. In fact, we normally do it together. So when you are in the paid class, you will learn from other people's question. You will learn from other people's answer, other people's solution. Again, one key thing that you will learn in the paid class is that you will learn relationships, how to connect with people. There are a lot of quality people in the paid class. So when you join the paid class, you have direct access to them. You can connect with them. I have different calibers of people in the class. I have pastors, I have Muslims, I have Christians, I have graduates, I have master degree holders. If you do any, I'll kick you out, I'll give you your money. Did you hear that? If you come to the paid class and misbehave, I'll kick you out, I'll give you your money. So when you come to the paid class, you respect yourself. I'm the teacher there. I'm the one that will teach you. So if you have a challenge, you have anything you want to learn, and you think you want to learn from me. So before you join the paid class, you should have understood me. Understood me means you should have listened to one or two of my videos. You should have seen, okay, this guy can teach me. I think I want to learn from him. Before you come to my paid class, you don't just come to the paid class anyhow. It's a private class where I teach every day. The paid class is a private class where I teach every day, and I teach different things. I don't come to class and say, okay, today we are doing this. No. If you don't have questions, then there will be no teaching. If you don't come with challenge, then there's nothing to teach. That day we go. Once in a while, I see videos, I see important matters, I drop things in the paid class once in a while so we can discuss them. I believe I've emphasized everything about the paid class that I need to say. If there's anything I need to say, maybe next time. Yes, in the paid class, there's no curriculum. There's no curriculum. There's no topic. It is what you bring that we discuss. If you bring a challenge, you bring a problem, we'll solve it. I've told you, we teach about everything that we know. The one that we know. The one we don't know, we'll tell you we don't know it. Thank you very much and have a great day.